And another point is that this committee is in receipt of a letter coming from Attorney Paquito Ochoa stating therein that hindi siya maka-attend sa hearing natin dahil may sakit siya. And mayroon siyang kasama, may attached dito na medical certificate from St. Luke's Medical Center stating that COVID-19 PCR viral RNA detected, interpretation positive. Positive daw siya sa COVID kaya hindi siya maka-attend. So sana kung hindi siya kung naka-attend siya ngayon dito, baka kung natapos natin itong in-entertain itong mga resource person na kailangan natin tanungin at kung nandito sana siya, baka I could have adjourned this this hearing after this after to this hearing, but bigyan pa natin siya ng tsansa. So kumsik, ilang araw ba bago mag-negative sa COVID? 5 days? So okay lang kung bigyan natin si Secretary Ochoa ng 1 week? Ha? DOH? Sino taga-DOH dito? Walang DOH. So we will be giving Attorney Paquito Ochoa 1 week to recover from COVID. And we have already sent to him 2 invitation letters. So by this time, you issue subpoena for his attendance before this committee. Kung hindi pa rin siya mag-attend, baka warrant of arrest will be issued by the Senate kung hindi siya magpakita. Just for the record, dahil mahirap yung iniiwasan tayo. Well, you know, in-acknowledge natin, positive siya sa COVID, Kaya, pagbigyan natin siya ng another 1 week. Kung nandito sana siya, baka tapos na itong hearing na ito.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, go ahead.
Is this committee going to conduct another hearing next week?
Yes, next week.
I thought this is the last hearing, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, kung nandito sana si Paquito Ochoa, I could have decided to adjourn this hearing. Pero mahirap yung hanging tayo, Your Honor. Kailangan humarap siya dito sa ating committee. Kaya para matapos natin dito. Yes,
Mr. Chairman,
Senator Tolentino.
May we ask Yusek Vasquez, may paraan ba another alternative, not in congressional hearings but in trials, court trials, take the deposition or what? Ano bang pwede mo i-suggest?
Thank you for the opportunity to make a statement again, Your Honors. Actually, there are ways of facilitating testimony taking short of physical face-to-face.
Yes, I know that. I know everything. But I want him to be present physically here. Gusto ko lang mahirap yung magtatanong tayo na wala siya dito sa harapan natin. Kaya nga, nag-volunteer yung iba na online daw sila mag-testify. But I don't allow that. As far as this committee is concerned, we do not allow online attendance. Kailangan nasa jurisdiction sila ng committee na ito before we can take their statements. So yun ang akin. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, may I know
Yes.
the circumstances why the presence of the former executive secretary is needed here?
He was
I'm not defending him because you know naman he's the former executive secretary of President Aquino.
Yes, number one, he was mentioned in the deposition of Jonathan Morales that the operation was halted, was disapproved by former Deputy Director General for Operation Carlos Gadapan per orders of the Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa. So yun lang naman i-confirm natin sa kanya para because we are trying to establish here kung talagang totoo yung sinasabi ni Jonathan Morales.
Well, Mr. Chair, as far as I am concerned, these are all hearsay, and you cannot believe in all the alibis or the imagination of this particular resource person, Mr. President.
Yes,
Mr.
I am
Chair.
taking your position on this matter, Your Honor, but when you say heresy, wala siyang personal knowledge. So let us define now what is personal knowledge. Personal knowledge is talagang siya ang nakakaalam. Siya ang nakakaalam, di ba? So, right here, right now, I presume, hindi ako abogado ha, hindi ako abogado, ordinaryong pulis lang po ako. Pero ito ang interpretation ko. Jonathan Morales has no personal knowledge as far as the action of Paquito Ochoa of personal knowledge. Alam niya yung impormasyon. So personal knowledge pa rin yan because nakausap niya si Gadapan na sabi niya, pinahinto itong operasyon natin, disapprove ko dahil ayaw ni Executive Secretary Ochoa. So may personal knowledge si Morales of that information. Pero wala siyang personal knowledge as far as that incident is concerned. Na pagbigay ng order ni Ochoa na i-basura yung operation. So, yun lang sa akin. Hearsay, pero pag sabi natin personal knowledge, may personal knowledge siya as far as that information is concerned. Kaya nga, pinapatawag natin ngayon, at na-intriga lang ako, Your Honor, kasi pangalawang imbitasyon na natin ito. Ngayon, may COVID siya. So, pangatlong imbitasyon natin dito, ay, sabpina na. I don't think the Senate will question my actions as far as this hearing is concerned because kailangan ma-maintain natin yung credibility ng Senado na kapag tayo ini-snub ng ating mga resource person na very sensitive information na dapat makuha natin galing sa kanya, ay hahayaan na lang natin siya off the hook. So, that's the opinion of the chairman of this committee.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank
Mr.
you.
Chair, don't get me wrong. I am in full support of the decision of the committee chair. And I will continue to support the decision of the chairman of this particular committee, Mr. President.
Thank you, Your Honor. I know you are very supportive.
Mr. Chair.